How to use. Operators wear sterilized gloves, clean the skin and sterilize the treatment area. Put the eye mask on the customer. Adjust the corresponding mode, energy, spot size and frequency according to the treatment demand and program. Wear protective eyewear for the operator. Note: Picosecond flat sweep mode, whitening and brightening for shrinking skin rejuvenation. Sweeping treatment head is 1–2 cm away from the operating skin. Vertical skin operation. Sweep horizontally once, then vertically once to ensure even operation. It is possible to operate more than once in the most problematic areas. Sweep evenly over the entire face. Clinical endpoints are slight flushing of the skin. Some clients may feel a slight warmth of the skin. There is a slight heat. 755 nanometers honeycomb treatment head. Remove colorful tattoos. Wrinkle tightening anti-aging. Pore shrinkage. Flat sweeping treatment head is 1–2 cm away from the operating skin. Vertical skin operation. Sweep horizontally once, then vertically once to ensure even operation. It is possible to operate more than once in the most problematic areas. Clinical endpoints are slight flushing of the skin, slight warmth of the skin, freckle removal operation. After adjusting the interface, you need to test the light spot on the test paper for uniformity. The treatment head is put on the skin, aiming at the spots. Apply Type 3 Collagen Tightening ACT, a patented recombinant Type 3 collagen ingredient that promotes skin repair, firmness and elasticity. Apply soothing crystal mask, calms and soothes the skin, reduces swelling and redness. You can use ice to relieve the fever. Wrap the plate in cotton first. No direct skin irritation. Remove mask and wipe with saline. Apply Type 3 Collagen Tightening SCT.